Morning, babe.
Morning.
First day in Utah. Going to Zion Canyon overlook. How's your breakfast, babe?
Pretty good. Nice and bland.
It's not bland.
Yes. What? They parked too somewhere. Wait, those are the people that were looking for parking.
I guess they ninja parked somewhere. I don't know. Okay, first hike of the trip. Canyon Overlook Trail.
Okay, let's go.
We're about to start Narrows. Yeah. You can come here. It's all open.
Oh, they closed up.
Yeah.
Oh, why don't you just come here after 5 p.m.? It's free.
Basically.
I wonder if that's how it is at all national. Other national parks they close up.
There are national parks that close.
Yeah.
This one is 24/7.
What do you do? Travel? Walking?
Should we ride the bus?
Is it
Or
free?
no? Oh, that's the last. Oh, last one is at 7 p.m. What time is it?
5:30. Maybe just walk around here. Fuck
This is where we're gonna have dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? No, not Zion Brewery. Zion Canyon Brew Pub is where we're trying to go.
Plus, we have to go back there to buy Zion stuff, right?
We can look somewhere else. They close at 7 p.m. Alright, want to record another?
What?
I'm just recording it. How was your day, Zion?
Pretty good?
This is an interview. This is
No.
a spontaneous interview. How was your first day at Utah Bay?
It was exciting. It was a lot of hiking, narrows, a lot of cool sceneries, and different day, different morning, different afternoon than my typical 9 to 5 routine.
What's your favorite part about today?
Well, I mean, the scene. Just like look up, there's big mountains, and just like it's just different. It's just unique.
What's your least favorite about today?
Bugs.
Bugs. Typical.